I was getting ready to lift up this Accord to do some service, and well, let me show you what I found. I looked down here at the old Harbor Freight Jack and I saw it leaking pretty good. It looks like it stopped dripping right now, but it was dripping pretty good. But I say that these seals down here have failed. We got fluid all over the place. I think this one failed for sure, and this one may have also, but it was definitely leaking there pretty good. So that sucks. I really like this jack. This is the jack in question, a Daytona 3-ton low-profile long-reach jack. This one is from Harbor Freight. I also have the yellow one from Harbor Freight, the Daytona 3-ton Super Duty. That's a great jack. I haven't had any problems with that one. But the reason I like this one probably better than the other one is because this is definitely gets lower and has a longer reach, and that's great for a lot of the vehicles that I work on, especially the newer Accords and things like that. And so my dilemma is, what do? Do I go buy another one of these, or do I look for another manufacturer and probably have to have it shipped and probably pay a lot more money? Well, I made a decision. You want to see what I got? Wait for it, wait for it. That's right, I bit the bullet. I went back down to Harbor Freight and I bought another one. Same thing, this one's blue though instead of the other one was black. Well, time will tell whether I made a bad decision or a good decision, but I wanted to get back in business today. They had these in stock, so I was able to just go down there, buy it, bring it home. Now all I got to do is set it up and I'm ready to go. I know. Should I have gotten another Harbor Freight jack? Believe me, I didn't take this decision lightly, but I wanted to have a low-profile, long-reach jack at my disposal, and this allows me to have it immediately. I do know they make seal kits for jacks, and so if you know of a seal kit for this particular jack, please let me know in the comments. If you've had another issue with a Harbor Freight jack, or really any other tool, let me know that in the comments too, and if the video helped you out and you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.